Hello, today we are going to talk about Shri Ram Finance Personal Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person are eligible for Shri Ram Finance Personal Loan. Having monthly salary of more than 25,000. Applicant age should be between 22 year to 60 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 680 and -1 CIBIL. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 25 lakhs, 7.50 lakhs to -1 CIBIL applicant. Rate of interest will be 13% to 24% at reducing. Loan tenure means time period of loan in Shri Ram Finance will be 12 months to 72 months. Processing fee will be 1% to 3% of the loan amount. Foreclosure charges will 5% plus GST after 1 month. Part payment is not allowed. FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio, will be 65% of net salary. Turnaround time is 1 day to 3 days. Processing mode will be online. OD product is not allowed. BT plus top-up is available. Co-applicant is not mandatory. Location coverage is 50 km from branch. A unique selling point, USP, also called a unique selling proposition, will funding to all company employee. Employer vintage should be 2 years. His or her minimum job experience should 1 month. Let's talk about some other points. Salary mode, person who is applying for the personal loan will be eligible. If salary receiving via NEFT, RTGS, company transfer. He or she will not eligible for a personal loan if applicant is receiving salary in cash salary and IMSS, NRI applicant, -1 CIBIL applicant, -1 CIBIL applicant, employee working with proprietorship firm, partnership firm, LLP, employee working with jewelers, police, defense, hotel, MCD 4th grade, advocate, spa and saloon, malls, real estate, gym, delivery boys, NGO, bartender, taxi driver, any employed director who is shareholder in company, applicant receiving salary in tranches. Required documents. KYC of applicant like Aadhaar card plus PAN card plus passport size photo. Last 3 months salary slip required. Last 6-month bank statement in PDF. Form 16 of last 2 year. Rent agreement if rented or utility bill if residence is owned. Sanction letter of all current running loan if any. Office ID card or official email ID if any.